You think you can do that? Well, it's blowing really hard, so it's lung power. It's also the tightness of your lips on the blowpipe. Keep it going. That's good. That's good. Now squeeze it. So the bag's coming all the way under your arm. Yep. Can't you do it? Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. So that you can get a seal so that you can force enough air into the bagpipes to make sound. Yes! Absolutely nailed it. We have a winner. The Black Watch will be proud of you. So you've got a bit of lip practice to do in your spare time before you come back. Right, anyone else? I think it's sounding good.